Come back to the channel today. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Mk4 is back, and it's turning heads with a blend of modern innovation and classic charm. In this video, we're diving deep into every detail of this refreshed icon, from the sculpted 3D exterior to the refined interior, powerful performance, and updated pricing. So let's get started. At first glance, the new Beetle Mk4 feels instantly familiar, yet unmistakably fresh. Volkswagen has embraced the car's retro roots, but added futuristic elements to make it stand out. The 3D exterior design features bold, rounded lines, LED matrix headlights, and a wider stance that gives it a more athletic presence on the road. The iconic fenders are still pronounced, but now integrate seamlessly with the aerodynamic bodywork. Around the back, you'll notice slimmer taillights, a subtle spoiler, and dual exhaust tips, a nod to its performance ambitions. The car sits slightly lower than previous models, improving both aesthetics and handling. Optional two-tone color schemes and a panoramic glass roof complete the modern yet nostalgic look. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle Mk4 is no slouch. Depending on the trim, it comes with either a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower, or a more performance-focused 2.0-liter turbo, delivering up to 240 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch, automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and quick acceleration. The car handles surprisingly well thanks to an updated suspension system and improved weight distribution. It's fun to drive in the city and stable at highway speeds. For those wanting something even more dynamic, a GT line version is rumored to include sport-tuned suspension and all-wheel drive. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels both cozy and high-tech. The circular design language continues throughout the interior, with rounded air vents and retro-inspired dashboard elements. But everything feels premium. A 10.2-inch digital cockpit and a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen come standard in most trims, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting gives the cabin a customizable feel, while the use of soft touch materials and optional leather upholstery add comfort. Space-wise, the Beetle remains a compact coupe, but clever storage solutions and redesigned front seats improve legroom and overall practicality. Rear seats are best suited for short trips or small passengers, but they do fold flat to expand. Cargo space. Safety has been prioritized too. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera, park assist, and even a heads-up display for enhanced driving confidence. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Beetle Mk4 starts at around $24,000 for the base trim, with mid-level versions landing closer to $28,000. The sportier GT line and premium trims can push above $32,000 depending on features and customization. Overall, the new Beetle offers a unique combination of nostalgic design, everyday practicality, and modern tech at a competitive price point. So that's our in-depth look at the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Mk4. It's stylish, packed with features, and a joy to drive. Perfect for those who want something different in a world full of look-alike crossovers. Let us know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.